What's up guys, Lou here, back with another video. And today, I'm back with something unusual, as you've come to expect here on Unbox Therapy. This is a big, giant thing. I have an address, things show up. Alright? Don't send me anything that's alive. Those are kind of the rules. A giant Bluetooth speaker. You may have seen it, you may have heard of it. It's called Mars by Crazy Baby. In the past, I've done things that float before. This is no exception. So if you like things that float, then this might float your boat. God damn. This thing kind of looks like a Mac Pro. Is this upside down? Jack, I blame you. So the way these things work, usually what you end up with is a unit like this. The saucer, the flying saucer. Now this guy is gonna probably be your high end, and then this big tube portion is likely gonna be your low end. Some USBs on the back, Jack, you could probably pick that up. USBs on the back, Jack, so you can charge two devices. A power brick here. Now this guy, I guess, what are we? So that's smart. It kind of fits on the top and stays charged that way. Let's power it up and see what the deal is. I assume that means that this guy on the top is charging, and there's a power switch on the back, so I'm gonna press that now. Some indicators here. Does that mean it has its own power switch? It does have a switch on it. Bit of an odd. Nothing's floating though. Don't you make me read the manual. God damn it. Charge before using Mars for the first time. Well, we're doing that now, but I'm guessing the reason we're not levitating right now is one of the two is lacking some juice. Roly-poly! Alright, listen, I'm back. Apparently I don't know how to charge things up. When I hit the button, the power switch, look! Look at that! Woo! Oh, I gotta move this way. Look at that. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Okay. Time for some bangers. I can't get it. Oh, baby. I don't know, I think it's cool, right? It looks cool, look at it. It's all fancy. The way it goes up and down, you hit the button. I mean, it's like a spaceship. You got a spaceship now. Spins down, hits it, starts charging. That thing's portable, you take it with you. Meh, sound, not so great. Go check out my other Bluetooth speaker videos for some of the better values there. But if you need to float, if you're on those floaty vibes, this is probably as good as it gets.